Well, hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report today on the DX-98VHP. This is for Jeffrey in Wisconsin. Alright, just going to start on... And it's got an amp switch in the back, we got it turned off. So we'll see in barefoot power here. And the power turned all the way down on AM mode. Alright. Top scale, 1 through 10. See, it's just less than 1 there. Up to 4. And the peak power, 50 watt slug. So we'll be looking at the middle scale there. Audio. Check, check, check. Audio. Alright. Now, we'll go ahead and throw that switch turn. Oh, wait a minute. We've got sideband to do. Let's take a look at some sideband. Same 50 watt scale. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 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 audio. About 23. Okay. So now we'll throw that switch up. Go back to AM. Go back to minimum power. Go back to this watt meter with 10 watts on top. She shows 6. Now I'm gonna set it up to read 100 on top. So those are all plus 0. Alright. So there's our 6. If we turn it all the way up, we get 60. And then over here, I have to put in a bigger slug. And I'll put in my 500. Okay, the 500 is going to be the scale right in the middle. Audio, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio. Okay, and we'll flip it over to sideband. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. And that is all of them. Put it back to AM. See if there's anyone out there. So I recorded him. Let me go off and turn on the talkback.